kids, it's me, Cedric the Seagull.
And me, Paulie the prehistoric Pelican.
Hey, Paulie, you ready to worship?
I'm so ready.
Then let's dive right in. Yay!
Let's sing.
When I am scared of what I don't know, when I'm afraid, thinking I'm alone, you remind me that I still belong. God, you help me to grow. When I am scared, I don't feel strong. When I'm afraid, something is wrong. You remind me that you're in control. You teach me to know I am learning. You make me so courageous. You make me curious. There is so much you have given, so much to explore. You're teaching me I'm gonna be a better me. Scared of what I don't know, when I'm afraid, thinking I'm alone, you remind me that I still belong. Oh yeah, God, you help me to grow. When I am scared, I don't feel strong. When I'm afraid, something is wrong. You remind me that you're in control.
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse. Hi friends, I'm Peyton, and today I'm making some really cool sticky stuff. Can you guess what I am making? Slime! I love making slime. I have made pink slime. I have made sparkly slime. And today I am making mud slime. So I need to add 5 scoops of dough. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Now I need to add this one last ingredient. Now I mix it all together until it turns into slime.
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Peyton. Hoo! Hoo! Making mud, are you?
Yes, Ollie.
I'm making my very own mud slime.
Good things can come from dirt. That's true. And I've got just the dirt story for you. Listen to this. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello, friends. I'm Aisha. Welcome to my cupcake food truck. Do you want to see the special cupcakes I'm serving today? Ta-da! I call them mud pies. Chocolate cupcakes with chocolate sprinkles. And look, I even put gummy worms like they're in the mud. I made them because of the story I want to tell you today. If you're ready, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible is about someone super amazing. But before I show you who it is, we need to practice our "That's amazing" face. Show me what your face looks like when you see something truly, incredibly amazing. Yes, that's it. Great. You'll need that for the story. So, Jesus and his friends, the disciples, were walking on a road near town. They met a man who could not see. He had been born blind, and Jesus was kind and wanted to help him. So Jesus spit in the dirt and made some mud. Then Jesus put it on the man's eyes. Next, Jesus told the man to go wash in a pool of water. And when he did, the man could see again. It was amazing. Show me your "That's amazing" face. The people around them that saw what Jesus did made their "That's amazing" face too. For the first time ever, the man could see. He could see food. Everyone say, "That's amazing." That's amazing. He could see neighbors. Everyone say, "That's amazing." That's amazing. He could see trees. That's amazing. When his neighbors saw the man and asked him what happened, he said Jesus made mud and spread it over my eyes and told me to go wash in a pool of water. And now I can see. The man could see for the very first time, and it was all because Jesus was kind to him and helped him in a way that only Jesus could. Jesus is amazing. Say it with me. Jesus is amazing. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus helped a man with dirt. He's amazing. Hoo, hoo.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, Jesus was so kind, he helped the man to see. Jesus is amazing. I think I get the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Good. I'm going to remember this amazing story every time I play with my mud slime. See you next time. Bye.
Wow, I've really enjoyed the Bible lessons this month.
Me too. They've been so edifying.
That's a big word there, Paulie.
Well, you see, I took some online Bible college classes.
Wow, I had no idea. Reverend Paulie, do you mind sharing the big word with us, Reverend Paulie?
Of course, P. Paulie would love to.
Oh, P. Paulie, sorry.
The big word is, everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47.
Amazing.
Once more, everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47.
Thanks, P. Paulie.
You're welcome.
Hey, Mr. Phil, have you ever taken Bible classes?
Yeah, Mr. Phil. Hey, Mr. Phil.
Mr. Phil!
Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here. It's so good to see you on this lovely, lovely Sunday. We're so excited about the things that we're going to sing today and what we learned about. But first, I wanted to kind of see who's watching me because sometimes it's hard to see you. And so I brought my special glasses today to see who's watching, okay? So I'm going to put them on and then let me see who's out there. It's kind of blurry. I can't really, I think I need my other glasses to go on top of it, and then I can see more clearly. Oh, okay. Hey, yeah, I can see Devin. Hey, Devin, it's good to see you. Yeah, and there's Zoe. I see Zoe too. And there's Hannah. Oh, Hannah's there. And then I see Alejo. I think that's Alejo. And wow, I see so many others. Raise your hand so I can see you. And oh yeah, it's so good to see you this morning. But I don't want to wear my glasses too long because sometimes they kind of hurt my eyes. So I'm going to put my glasses, special glasses, but it's so good to see you this morning. And I'm so happy that you're there. And like I said earlier, we're excited because we're learning about how Jesus called Peter, a fisherman, to be one of his disciples. And not only that, he helped them catch a whole bunch of fish. And then he said, Peter, you've been a fisher of fish, but now you're going to be a fisher of men. And so, yeah, that's how he called Peter to be a disciple. And so Reginald and Green Gorilla, they love to play Bible stories. So they decided they wanted to go fishing today. So they got the boat out and they got their fishing rods all ready to go. And hey, Green Gorilla, what's this? Is that fishing line? Oh, it looks like my headphones. Oh, we didn't have fishing line, so you just used my headphones? Okay, that's fine. And Reginald, you got your fishing rod all ready to go there. And hey, wait, who are these guys up here? They look like pirates. Oh, they're helpers? They're going to help drag in all the fish you're going to catch, Reginald? Okay. Well, they look like pirates to me. Okay, I know. You said they're fishermen helpers. Okay, they're not pirates. All right. Well, hey, how about if we do our song this morning? And it's called The Presence of God. And when we're in the presence of Jesus, great things happen. We catch a lot of fish. We're able to have peace, the peace of God that surpasses all understanding. Miraculous things happen. So even if we're feeling kind of sad, we can feel glad when we're in the presence of God. So let's sing this song, okay? All right, here we go. You can go ahead and keep on fishing, Reginald. It's all right. Just sing while you're doing it. Jesus, we live only for you, maker of all, author of truth, come to believe in all that you are. Our desire is to be That's right, a presence of God. It's such a blessing, such a blessing. Miraculous things happen, and we can catch lots of fish. Oh, what's that, Reginald? You caught something? Oh, it looks like Reginald caught something. Hey, let's take a look. Okay, I'm pulling it up for you, Reginald. I'm pulling it up, and it looks like it's... Oh, no. It's Sharky. Oh, no. Throw it back, Reginald. Throw him back into the water. Okay. Well, we want to put the fish back in anyway, but you don't want to bring Sharky up onto the boat, okay? He might hold it against you. Anyway, well, boys and girls, have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, and keep on fishing, okay? Oh, what's that, Reginald? You want me to put down the mast? Well, you're done playing fishing games, huh? Oh, no. Now you want to play pirate? Okay, Reginald. All right, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye. Say bye, Reginald and Green Gorilla. Say bye.
Well, that's it for this month, the first month of 2023.
That's it. It's a wrap.
Hey, Paulie,
Yeah, Cedric?
since I now have discovered that you are Paulie with Bible training classes, do you mind saying our final prayer of the month?
Sure. Dear God, thank you so much that you know everything and you're a God of miracles. Please help all the knowledge we learned today to sink into our hearts. In Jesus Christ's name, amen.
Amen. That was great, Paulie.
You're welcome, Cedric.
He's definitely a god of miracles. Maybe the Wall Street stuff can take a turn for the better, and maybe inflation can be deflation.
I would love to buy a burger for 99 cents again.
Oh, remember those days?
Yeah, no meat though, just bread.
Yeah.
All bun.
And you know, back in those days, I had to walk twice uphill to get to school.
Back in those days, I wasn't around.
Yeah, I'm pretty old. Anyway, that's just us talking. Kids, if you don't understand, your parents will get it. All right, bye, kids!
Bye, kids.